Please, you can continue now. Thank you. You can continue now. Thank you.
Atoma Queen, please, can you unmute Mr. John?
Oh, okay. John, you can speak now.
All right, thanks a lot, Summer Queen. Good evening, everyone. My name is Isika John. I'm going to be ushering in my team members. But first of all, I'll just give us an overview of what we are here to do. Mr. Abdul has already introduced the members of the team. So our project is about an AI blog writer agent that gives blog writers the leverage into writing solid standard articles. Mr. Moses is going to be taking us through each step of the project. It has an 8-stage workflow that eventually finalizes in a PDF copy of the final product. So I don't know if Gloria is also on the call. She was knocked out earlier, but if she's not on the call, then Mr. Moses is going to take us through the entire workflow. If Gloria is on the call, along the line, Mr. Moses is going to hand over to Gloria to finish up the presentation. So I'm going to allow Moses to take us through each of the 8 stages of the workflow of this amazing project. If you all can see my screen, please. So Moses, let's walk them through the project.
Moscow Digital, you can speak now.
Okay, thank you very much. So our team was tasked with building a blog AI writer agent. And well, we put our heads together and we came up with what you are seeing on the screen. It is a blog writer AI agent that is powered by AI to transform simple blog topics into a well-researched, structured, SEO optimized, fact-checked, and published article. Now, what makes this different is that it does not just generate text. It takes the topic through a full content production workflow, starting from getting the topic to making research, to generating a strategy, and using the strategy to create an outline, after which it writes. Then it ensure that the write-up is search engine optimized. From there, it's take a fact check, after which the final product is published. So I'll just take us through the 8 stage. Now, the first one is the topic. This is the place where the agent gets the topic from the user of the site, and then he or she, the agent understands the topic, the target audience, and where the reader is what the readers are looking for. Now, the goal is to understand what needs to be written and who it is meant for. Do we get it? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So then it takes it through the second stage, which is the research stage. Now, the agent gathers relevant information, facts, current data, and reliable resources about the topic from the internet using Google search grounding. So it accesses data that are online and are available in Google search to ensure that the content is based on useful and reliable information. So the third stage is where it develops the strategy. So the angles from which the article is going to focus on, including the purpose, the audience, the keywords, and then the approach. It creates a clear plan for the content. And then the fourth one we have there is the outline, where it creates the sections of the blog, the outline of the blog. So it just creates a logical structure for the article. The fifth part, of course, we are going to show that. I'm just running through so that we can keep up to time. Now, the fifth part is where it writes. which is the fifth section, right? Now, this section, it uses the research that it has conducted, the strategy that it has also structured, and even the outline. It uses it to generate a complete article. So it turns those plans into a useful content, a full-blown content. And then the sixth part, it ensures that this content is not just a random content. It ensures that you use keywords that people can go to search engines like Google, and when they search for those keywords, then this content can come up. So it gives your it places your content in a place where it has visibility. People can easily access it online just by searching certain words. And then after that, it goes through a fact check. It checks the fact. So the informations in this this blog post that we are creating, are they true or not? So it helps conduct a fact check. The agent reviews important claims and identify informations that are verified, those ones that are unsupported, and those ones that need further verification. This is just to help us improve the accuracy and readability of the article. And then the final stage is where the article is being reviewed for quality, accuracy, structure, and readability and completeness. The goal is just to make sure that the article is ready for publication. So now, Mr. John, please help us walk through using the Python for beginners, like what he is actually doing on the screen now. So it starts from the topic. Please, can you go back? Go back to the, okay, yeah. See, please scroll up a little. Mr. John. Please go back to a new project. Yeah, a new project. So now, if we look at the interface, you will see we have now before using this AI, you have to have your informations about what you want to research on. But for the constraint of time, we are going to use this suggested quick topics that are up there. Let's pick the second one, which is code learning code. Now you can see when we clicked on that, it has fully helped us to fill out the informations that are needed automatically. All we just need to do is just to change the target country, from global, let's make it Nigerian, so that it will be just to a particular geographical area. And then let's pick like a place like maybe Lagos or Abuja. Pick one. Yes, and then you move to the now this particular part. What do you want it to be? Is it the editorial style and the writing control? So you pick if you want it to be professional, and all that. If you want it to be conventional, if you want it to be an educational post and all that, we have them there. We have the word length, the article length. If you want it to be short, if you want it to be medium, if you want it to be long, it has a word frame. Let me put it that way. The number of words that the article should have, and then it also has a language. If you want it to use American English or the UK English, it also has it there. And then please move to the next. Yes. And so at this part, you just have to allow the AI to analyze your topic and run a research online. So it's going to analyze the topic. It's trying to get information online using the Google search grounding that we talked about. So once it has done that, it's going to outline it, breaking them into topics and subtopics. So here we have these. You can see something like this now. We have them. All the informations that we needed are here. So the next part is where we move to the please move to the next. Yes. Click on the next stage. So from the next stage, you can see, yes. So you're generating the content strategy at this point now. And one beautiful thing about this is that at the end of the day, you can decide to export your article as a PDF. Yes, you can export it as a PDF and download it to your file, your computer directly, so that you can go through it and then, before publishing it to your blog.
All right, Moscow, thank you very much. Thank you so much for that. Moscow, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, amazing job, brother. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. This is good. It could actually act as a terminal for people working in newspaper and blog agencies. So amazing product right there. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'm happy that we streamed it on YouTube, so you have it there to showcase to people about what you guys have built. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right.